Welcome to your PubGuru Dashboard. Now that you have access to your PubGuru Dashboard, it's time to set up your profile and payment settings. Where can you do that? You click the icon here. Go to Profile Settings. In the Profile Settings, you will see your name, your email. You can also change your password here, and this PIN. In case you want to chat with our support team, always provide this PIN so they can verify your account. Next is the payment settings. Payment settings is where you can see the payout receipts and the monthly breakdown of the amount that you'll receive. Also, you can download the payout receipts by clicking these icons here. Just in case for internal accounting on your end, you can just download them here. And lastly, configure payment details. Please configure your payment details right away to prevent delayed payouts. If you decide to run Google Ad Exchange and header bidding via PubGuru, the relevant ad revenues will be collected on your behalf and then sent to you on a monthly basis by MonetizeMore. In order for us to send you your payments, you need to add your preferred payment details. It is best to you to enter your preferred payment details early so that you don't forget to enter them later. Once that's set up, then you can access all these features here on your PubGuru dashboard. Please note that you might not see any data here yet because on the back end, they're still setting up your account. For more information, feel free to contact our support team at support@monetizemore.com or talk to your ad optimizer.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.